Most of the IELTS students actually fail to achieve their desired band for not being weak in English, but because they start their journey without a strategy. You have to follow a strategy, a structure to get your desired score. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 super steps that you all need to know, you must need to know before initiating your IELTS journey. So let's begin the video. Number 1 is knowing the format. Just imagine you are in the battlefield. You actually don't know about the area, but your enemies know the battlefield very deeply. They actually get huge opportunities compared to you. So if you wanna get huge opportunities, obviously you need to know the area, the subject area, the module. So similarly in IELTS, there are 4 modules. There are 4 modules, and you have to know all the modules very perfectly. First of all, as you are here new, you don't have much idea about the areas, right? So first of all, you have to know the areas very perfectly. So these 4 areas are, number 1 is listening, number 2 is reading, and here more make mistakes because we think like reading where I have to read, but this is totally wrong. Number 3 is speaking, and number 4 is writing, and all the modules carry the same mark, the same band. So you have to know them very perfectly. First of all, what actually is done in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So if you want, I will make separate videos for all the modules: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So number 2 is pick up your weakness and strengths. You have to take a mock test. It doesn't mean that you have to face the coaching center or like formal mock test. Because of the cutting edge era or because of the advancement of technology, there are so many opportunities to take mock. So you can take mock on internet, on ChatGPT or AI. So go there and take a mock test and know your level. This is very, very necessary because it will help you to identify your weak points or weak areas. So pick up your strongest area and the weakest area, and there you have to put much effort every single day. Okay. Number 3 is set a realistic goal. This is hard to hear, but true. Most of the university students actually think they know many things about English, but to be honest, this is totally different. The test, the exam is totally different. You actually don't know about the format, about the test, nothing. Okay, and obviously remember that IELTS is not all about talent. It's all about practice. It's all about strategy. So you have to know that. Okay, so set a realistic goal. If you want to ensure 7+, then you have to make here such goal. Okay, for example, in your first mock, if you attain band 5, so it's totally unrealistic that within a month you will achieve 7. But if you put here much time, much effort, and within 2 months you can secure your goal. So don't go for unrealistic things, go for pragmatic dream. This is very important. We actually make here so much mistake. Please don't do this. Make or set a realistic goal. Being optimistic is good. Next one is develop a routine. So after making a realistic goal or developing a realistic goal, you have to make a strategy, you have to make a daily routine, because IELTS is all about practice. The more you practice, the higher mark you actually ensure. Okay, and if you are not consistent here, you won't able to crack band 7 or more than band 7. So every single day you have to water the plant. Just imagine this preparation is for gardening. You are just planting something. You are just planting a tree. To grow it up, what do you need to do? You need to water it every day, right? So you have to practice every single day. This is very, very important. And last one, consume English contents. It doesn't mean where you are, what's your English level, but you have to surround yourself with English. This is mandatory. Of the advancement of technology, you really don't need a physical person, your friend, or someone else's. You can practice it with AI. There are so many AI models you can practice with ChatGPT, with Gemini, and so on. And obviously, every single day you have to watch what area you actually want to watch. Just watch. It's not necessary that you really need to watch podcasts, hear podcasts, and BBC News. No, this is not necessary. But the thing is necessary is you have to watch, you have to consume English contents. Get it? And what's your interesting area? There you can put much time. It would be very, very applicable for you. And obviously don't forget to read. If you want to score high in reading module, you obviously need to read so many articles, so many books. So, and day by day, by taking tiny steps every single day, one day you will able to crack your dream. So, and obviously don't forget that IELTS is not about talent, it's all about practicing. And we all know practice makes a man perfect. But the modern version is perfect practice makes a man perfect. If you follow these super 5 steps, you will be able to ensure your desired score.